In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to recover deleted contacts from your Android phone. Let's get started. First, launch your Contacts app. First, let's simulate the process. Select a few contacts on your phone and delete them. Once you have done that, tap on three-line menu icon and go to the Recycle bin. Click on three dots and select the option Recycle bin. Here you're going to find the list of the contacts that you have deleted. Click on the contact that you want to recover. Then click on the option Restore. The contact will be restored. Next thing you want to do is close this, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website contacts.google.com. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top left and select the option bin. Over here as well, you're going to find the contacts that you have deleted. From here, you can easily recover it. So this is how you can easily recover deleted contacts on your Android device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.